Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you all? I am back with a brand new video. So in the past topics I explained about optimization, common errors and display. So today I am gonna go with something different. That is, today I'm going to show how to calculate. I know that all of you can calculate that 1 plus 1 equals to 2, 2 plus 2 equals to 4, 2 into 2 equals to 4. What the difference? 2 plus 2 is 4, but 2 multiplied by 2 equals 2. Forget that. So the topic is CSS calculation, how to do it, and it's so much easy. But the main interesting thing is it's not an important topic of CSS. You can skip it if you are not ready or willingly want to learn it. But someone who wants to learn something advanced, so he can easily learn it, and it's super easy and will not take a long time to finish these videos. So let's start the video. Not a full power. So now I'm going to start the video. I've already started the video. I don't know, I can't speak in English. Why the file is not opening? What happened, bro? Create a new folder. Having problem with the existing folder. So new folder, select folder, opened. So the agreement, pop up the agreement. No pop up. Index.html. We'll be using internal. What is that? Internal CSS. So no CSS file to link. CSS calculation, the topic name. And suppose now I took a heading with coding with Shuddho. And now one thing more, that is, I decided that in each video I'll suggest some modified site for you, and this folder CSS CWS. So this folder I'm gonna give all of you, and the link of this folder, check the description, or if you found there nothing, so check the comment, pin comment, there you'll get that. And this in the folder what you're gonna get, so just click extract here and script. So a lot of file got just delete. I'm gonna delete it, and I'm going to show you exactly what the which kind of file the folder is containing. So in the zip file, after extracting, you'll get something like this, and this is fully free for you, and you can easily modify it for your own purposes. And I modified it, and here's the copyright section, and you can use this as well as you want. So don't panic about copyright, because I am giving all of you it for free. And in each videos or each topic, new topic, I'll be giving you something like this, and the every modified sites will be different. And since you saw UI of this site, and the next site's UI will be different and modified to use for all of you. And forget that, leave the topic. Now what about we are talking, that is coding with Shuddho. And now style, we can easily set a margin 100 picture. Open it with the Google. Open it, bro. So 100 pixel, but we can write it in different ways. So that is calculate. It means calculate, and 50 pixel plus 50 pixel. Same thing, just plus 50, 50 equals to 100 and directly 100. No senses, because the 100 is same, and like 50 minus 50 equals to 0, so there's no effect of margin. Easy. And one thing more, that is max, and the width and background color gonna be red. I'm going to show you what I'm gonna do. Height is going to be 100 pixels. So width max means any of the values I'll put here will take the largest. So 100 pixel, 200 pixel, 300 pixel. So there are three values, but the largest one is 300, so it should be affected by this. No effect, doesn't matter, because I made mistakes, I make mistakes, and I'll be making mistakes in my video. You know, all of you know that I make mistakes. So where's the problem? I think I should change the. Now it is working. So all of you should change or use different types of height with percent pixel. And suppose in the past way that I showed, padding, calculate 30 base plus 270 pixel. So it is the padding, and VH means viewport height, and one viewport height means 9 pixels. So 30 viewport height means 30 multiplied by 9 is equals to 270. So if we change it to 270, where is the text? Where is he? What happened? Why? Bro, leave this. Bro, what happened? So it was the topic about calculations. So just use calc. CLC means calc, and the full meaning is calculate, and use first bracket, and inside of that 2 with values. Use plus or minus or multiply symbol or division symbol between two values, or even you can use multiple values, doesn't matter. And I think it wasn't an important video, but I uploaded it that you should have a clear knowledge about calculation. And if you see that in a project file, or if I suggest when I'll be suggesting something advanced to you like this folder, if you see calc attributes, so you can be shocked with that. So you shouldn't be any shocking problem. So that's why I suggested this video for you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, because this video wasn't important so much, but I think all of you have liked it. So if someone has watched till now, thanks for him, and like the video, because if you like this video, YouTube will continue suggesting this kind of videos to you, and you should learn about programming, because it can be the future. So Allah Hafiz.